What's going on, guys? It is me, CGVRP, back on your screen, bringing you a brand new video here in Greenville, Wisconsin. If you guys are new here, make sure to smash the subscribe button down below to join me and SM at CGVRP second today. And today we're going to be buying my son his new truck at the Ron Rivers. I am so excited, guys. The last car we bought him did not run too well, so I actually bought him a truck this time. It's an Auburn truck, but we can't tell him, guys, okay? So we gotta go wake up my son real quick. My son in here. Good morning, CGVRP second. Good morning, CGVRP second. Are you excited to get your brother's truck? Yes. Oh, dang it. Okay. Go wait in the car. Oh my word. Unbelievable. Okay. Good morning, son. Are you excited to get your truck? Good morning, son. Are you excited to get your truck? Oh my word. Let's go. Alright, let's get on the road now. Driving this Pathfinder today. I bought this car brand new, guys. In December, actually. It was still brand new when we got it. Guy was actually on 2008 Chevy Silverado. I never said that to him. I'm just telling him he'll see what it is. Gosh. The light. Unbelievable. Oh, alright. Look, son. $19.53 Auburn L3. Son, what do you think? Do you like it? It's beautiful. Son, how do you like it? Are you gonna start it up? Let's go talk to seller. Hi, how may I help you today? Hi sir, we'd like to buy that truck. We would like to buy that pink truck outside. A very light pink one. Okay. Follow me. Alright, let's go. Check it out together. This is our 1953 Auburn L3. It runs great. I've been taking good care of it. The price is $2,100. Okay, sir. Gives. All right, sir. Have a good day. Gives keys. Gives keys. Alright, so let's get back in the car. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and get out of here now. Cannot believe my son just got his new truck. Okay over there? Yep, looks like it's starting up just fine. Let's go to McDonald's, son. Really good. Yeah. See him behind us anymore. That's weird. Yeah. So weird. Oh, he's following us. That truck's driving great. Oh my gosh, I don't want to hit it. Red light. Oh. Here's truck acting up in the red light. Son, pull over. Thing out. Oh, what's going on? Oh my word. Son, what's the matter? Son, what's the matter? Let me start it. Pops. Hood. Oh my gosh! Oh my word. Oh! Oh my gosh! Son! Son, are you okay? Oh my word. Oh my god, are you okay? My god, both of them are not feeling really good right now. Oh my word. Time to end. Well, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, everybody. Bye, everybody.